Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Myself is Manjot Madari. In the previous class we were doing the exercise 2.5. In today's class I am going to do the exercise 2.6 linear equation one variable. Okay students? Students, one more thing, please like it and share it as much as possible. Okay? Let's start the class. Okay? Exercise 2.6. There is nothing constant is there. It is just a linear variable. We have to find the value of x. Okay? Directly we go to the problem. Exercise 2.2. The first question. First question. 8x minus 3 by 3x is equal to 2. Here we have to find the value of x. Here, second one. Students, I will be taking this class in bilingual language, okay, in English and Kannada. Second one, 9x by 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. Here we have to find the value of x. So now first problem. So I will take x on this side. So we will get it as 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 3 is 6x. Now I will take 3 on that side. So 8x minus 6x, I will intershift this one. So plus is it other side come is minus. So here will be 3. So I will get 8x minus 2x 6x means 2x. 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. This is a required solution of this one. So next problem. So we take 9x here is equal to 15. 17 minus 6x. If you take this side, the solution will be in this way. Next one. 9x is equal to, I will multiply inside 15. So now it is 15 7s are 105. 15 6 are 90. 90x. So I will take x on this side. So I will get 90x plus 9x is equal to 105. Here minus is there, it should become plus. So I will get now 99x is equal to 105. So x is equal to 105 by 99. We can divide it by 3. 3 35 are. Further it will not. So x is equal to 35 33. Okay students, got it? It is very easy. Only just calculation process is there. Okay, note down first and second problem. I will go to the next problem. Okay students, I hope that you have noted down. If you have any doubts, any inquiry, please comment me so that I will explain it. Okay? So third one. Z plus 15 is equal to 4 by 9. Fourth one. Three y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. Okay students, now we solve it. So is equal to sign is there. Will be cross multiplication both. Will be cross multiplication the both. So we will get 9z is equal to 4z plus 15. Okay. In the next step, 9z is equal. I will take 4 inside, both inside. So I will get 4z plus 15 4s are 60. Question. In the next step, 9z is equal to minus 4z is equal to 60. 5z is equal to 60. So z is equal to 60 by 5. 5 ones are 5 12. So z value will be 12. Okay, sir. Just calculation procedure. Please note it down. Okay. Next problem. 3y plus 4 is equal to minus upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2y. So I will take a cross multiplication first. So now we will clear right. 5 3s are 15y plus 5 4s are 20 is equal to. So 2 is there. Minus. So I will take minus 2 minus 6y. Next step, what we can do is 15y plus 20 is equal. Minus into plus is minus. 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus plus. 2 6s are 12y. Now take like terms one side and unlike terms on other side. So I will get 15y minus 12y is equal to minus 4 minus 20. Okay. In the next step I will get 3y is equal to minus 24. In the next step, y is equal to minus 24 by 3. 3 ones are 3 8s are. So y is equal to minus 8. Okay, students, y is equal to minus 8. This is a required solution. Okay, note it down. So student, next problem, fifth one. Fifth one is 7y plus 4 divided by y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. So here first we have to cross multiply it. So what we will get? 3 7y plus 4 is equal to this is minus 4 by y plus 2. Now we have to multiply 3 inside. So we get 7 3s are 21y plus 4 3s are 12 is equal to minus into plus minus 4y minus into minus 8. So here we will get shift the both as here we will get 21y plus 4y is equal to minus 8 minus 12. So in the next step we will get 25y is equal to minus 20. Understand students? So again next step y is equal to minus 20 by 25. So we will get, it will be divided by 5. 5 4s are 4 by 5 minus sign is there, so minus. So required solution is minus 4 by 5. Okay students, note it down. Now next two problems are there. It is a word problem. Keep the textbook in front of you. I will dictate it. After that, you just note it down. I will give the solution. Okay? Note it down. I hope that you are noting down. So next problem. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of the ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. So we have the ages of Hari and Harry. Hari is there. Harry is there. So Hari and Hari. So their ratio is 5:7. So I will take Hari here. Hari and Hari. So I will take Hari is there na 5x. If the ratio is given, we can take x upon 7x. 4 years from now, 4 years now it is had 4 means we will take plus 4. Plus 4. Next one, the ratio of the ages will be 3:4 is equal to 3/4. This is a question. So we have to find the value of x. After that, we have to substitute here so that we will get the remaining solution. Okay. Now we will take cross multiplication. 4 is there. 5x plus 4 is equal to 3. 7x plus 4. Okay, students. Now take 4 inside. 4 5s are 20x plus 4 4s are 16. 7 3s are 21x plus 4 3s are 12. Shift 21x minus 20x 16 minus 12. So we will get 4. X is equal to 4. So we have to substitute Hari. Hari is 5x and 7x. X value is 4. So 5 4s are, we have to multiply. X is equal to 4. Take substitute here. X 5 4s are 20. 7 4s are 20. So finally we get Hari age is 20 and 28. Present age. Hari's present age is 20. Hari's present age is 20. Okay, students? Got it? It is very easy. You can calculate it. Okay? Note it down. Students, one more thing. This problem we can solve in one more method. This is method 1 to take it. I can solve it in one more method. So method 2. Whatever method you are comfortable, you please solve in this one. So I will take first one, Hari and Hari. So I will take 5/7 ratio. Now there are 4 years ahead, means 4. I will take in between 4. Again they are given ratio 3/4. There is a trick is there. You just follow it. So first I will cross multiply it. This one. 7 3s are 21. 5 4s are 20. We have to find the value. So I will take x first. Then difference of this. Difference 21 minus 20 means 1 is equal to, then this one 4, then this difference, then this difference, this both difference is 1. So we get x is equal to 4. We know that Hari 5x and Hari 5x. So Hari will get 5x and sorry. If you substitute the value of x, you will get 20 here and you will get 20 here, 28 here. So whichever comfortable, you can solve it. Whichever comfortable, you can solve it. Okay, students? Method 1 is the method 2 is the whichever comfortable, you can solve it. Okay. Method 2 is not your syllabus, but it is a extra knowledge. You may get it. If you solve this one exam, you will get mark. This one is little bit. The examiner did not prefer it, but in competitive exams it will be helpful. Okay. Please note it down. I will go to the last problem of this exercise 2.6 and linear equation one variable last problem. From the next class we will go into do the chapter 3 exercise. Okay, note it down. Okay, student, the next question is 7th one. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 6 If the number is increased by 17, the denominator is decreased by 1. The number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational. We have to find the natural number. So, first of all, you must know the denominator and numerator weight value. The rational number, numerator will be up, denominator will be down. Okay. Here the question said the denominator of the rational number is greater than the numerator by 8. The denominator of a rational number is greater. Means let first we'll write. Let numerator be x. So I will take here numerator, denominator will be let x. First one. Numerator, let denominator is rational number is greater than the numerator by 8. Means x plus 8. We will get first one. X plus 8. If the numerator is increased by 17, numerator is increased by 17. And the denominator is decreased by 1. So minus 1. The number obtained is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Find the rational. We have to find the rational. Numerator, denominator, we have to find the. This is a rational number. Rational number is p by q. Rational number means p by q. Q is not equal to 0. This is called as rational number. So here the quotient will be in this way. So now I will cross multiply it. So I will get 2x. 72 is 34 is equal to 3 is there. 3x. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 3 is 21. Now we take it, shift on the side. So 3x minus 2x, 34 minus 21. So here I will get it as 3, 13. X is equal to 13. So numerator and denominator. So numerator will be x, denominator will be x plus 8. So here I will get 13. 13 and the numerator 13 plus 8 is 21. So this is the rational number. This is the rational number we are going to take it. Okay. Okay friends, here we are winding up the exercise 2.2 and the linear equation whole topic is completed. I have teached it very well. So if any doubts is there, please comment it. Okay, so here we are writing up the exercise 2.6 and the whole chapter of linear equation one variable. From the next class we are going to do the exercise. We are going to understanding quadrilateral. From the next class we are going to do the understanding. Here we have completed the rational number and linear equation one variable and exponential.